Problem 20. The data in the table gives the maintenance cost C in cents per mile for operating an automobile in the United States from 1985 to 1991. A. Let T be the time in years, with T equal 5 corresponding to 1985. Find a linear model. The first thing that I would like to do is I know 1985 is going to be T equals 5. 1986 will be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Before I actually find the model, we need to go ahead and enter our information. So let me go over to my calculator and do that. Okay, on the calculator, remember we're going to go to Stat, Edit, and notice I already put my points in here, so I have all that information in there. The next thing that it did say to do was find a linear model. So we are going to go to Stat, Calc. We want to find that linear regression, so we're going to choose option 4. We do want to store our equations, so I am going to go ahead and put, we want it to come from list 1, so second L1, comma, second L2, comma, and I'd like it to go into Y1, so I'll hit bears, over to Y bears, function Y1 equals. Okay, now you'll notice we have all of our values that we need. So we are ready to write our model. We are also ready, if you look at our R value, we're also ready to do some things with our R value. So if I go back to the problem, it says to find a linear model. So my linear model, keeping in mind what they told me my A and my B was, I'm going to have C equals 0.167t plus 38. Please notice I did use the variables that they gave me in the problem. The next one was to explain why a linear model is appropriate. I'd say because I really should say a linear model is appropriate because R is equal to 0.988, which is close to 1. Okay, and then it says to use the model to estimate the maintenance cost per mile in 1998. Well, if you counted, and I actually just kept my list going so I could figure out where 1998 fell, that would be T equals 18. So now we need to go back to our calculator. And this time, if we would like it to predict, we're going to go to table, which is second graph. And then when we do that, we just need to type in 18. So if I type in 18 and press enter, notice we get 3.3821. So then let's go back to the problem. It was 3.3821, so I'll have 3.3821. And let's see, it was talking about cents per mile. So this will be cents per mile. Okay, this problem I really just needed to make sure I had it rounded to 3 places I just went out for.